The Renault FT-17 is the most famous French light tank of the Great War, or World War I. It was in service with the French Army from the end of World War I and was even used by the German Army until the end of World War II as a police vehicle in occupied Europe. This tank was revolutionary as it was the first to feature a modern design, with a rotating turret mounted on an armored hull and moved by tracks, making it a model imitated by many other countries. Developed thanks to the efforts of Colonel Jean Baptiste Estienne, the FT-17 had a significant impact on tank design. Its design included a rotating turret on a hull divided into 3 sections: driving, fighting, and engine compartments, a layout that remains standard to this day. Although it had less firepower compared to some contemporaries, the FT-17 was highly mobile and versatile, leading to its widespread use. The Renault FT-17 was not only a staple in the French Army but also used globally, with various countries adapting it for their own use. Its legacy as the first modern tank is undeniable, setting the standard for future armored vehicle design.